Good evening and welcome to this truly special occasion, the chartering and induction ceremony of our Ibaan host Lions Club.
The whole theme of this night, you have gathered together to do what is right. And if you do what is right, you become as bold as a lion. We are living in His house, and He is a generous host, and He wants to bless you. Please know, grace and blessing and abundance is on the house.
By the power vested in me by the Lions Club International for being the president of the Batangas Crown Lions Club PMG, I hereby call this starting at the first induction ceremony at Ibaan Host Lions Club to order. I will practice the principles of the Code of Ethics and the purposes of Lions International. Service is our strength in changing the world. So help me God.
Our unity, our togetherness, our really show of strength is in this unity in vision, unity in motivation, and unity in our desire. Kahit mabuhay ang Lions, roar!
Today, as we charter this new chapter, we're not just inaugurating a club, we're igniting a flame of service that will burn brightly in our hearts and communities in Ibaan for years to come.
There is no other way. There is no other way to live than to do what is right.
Lion Dionisio Torija, you have been elected to the office of President of your club. You are its Chief Executive Officer. Your success is a reflection of your club's success.
tulungan nyo kami at tulungan nyo rin kami magdasal at maging matagumpay itong aming club na ito para po pagdating ng panahon, ang Ibaan Host Lions Club ay maging blockbuster naman.
So easy to become selfish and to think only of yourself. It is so easy. But today, I challenge you. Do what is right. And you will be bold as a lion.